Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because our visions of liquid pain levitated while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, with the halo of a sweet land. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light, the spring night, and catch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one did disturb the sound of silence. Who said how you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might touch you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, echoed the words of silence. The people bowed and prayed to the name that they made, and the sun flashed out scorning in the words that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and David halls. Whispers of sound of silence. På det stopp av C.